Getting kissed in front of friends can evoke a mix of emotions like excitement, shyness, or embarrassment. If you're caught off guard, it's natural to blush. Acknowledging it humorously can help ease the moment. A brief return kiss is acceptable, but keep it light to avoid discomfort among friends. After the kiss, try to re-engage with your group while being considerate of others' feelings, especially if someone is going through a tough time. If you need more intimacy, take a short walk together, but ensure you return soon. If you're uncomfortable during a kiss, gently pull away without making a big scene and maintain a calm demeanor to keep things comfortable for everyone. Later, communicate your feelings about public displays of affection privately, setting clear boundaries that both of you respect. Remember, it's important to have these discussions to ensure both partners feel comfortable in the relationship.